All right, ready?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah, come on.
Are you Wiley? Are you serious? Wiley. What was that? A half rotation? Let me see how many hours this thing's got on it.
It's fired right up.
Let me fire this up again. You want to?
Let's do it.
All right. Ready? That's insane.
Sit the head to come up.
This way?
Front, we're going to try to lift the head. Yeah.
Is there buttons to push? Or?
Probably the shut the doors and see if that's it.
I'll let you come do it.
Yeah. Hey. Right there. Hit that. Crank it back up. Hit the pilot control, and that's going to put the.
This?
Yeah, that put the hydraulics to working.
Okay.
The pilot control.
Okay. Here we go.
I heard it then. Nothing? Still nothing?
I hit reset. It doesn't stay down.
All right, start it back up.
Oh, there's the throttle.
That way. All right. How about you, driver?
This one doesn't. This one only goes side to side. AC blows.
What about going for?
No,
We're not getting any power to that.
Dash.
Start to work.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn it off.
Probably have some mice or blow the fuse.
Yeah, that's what I would guess too.
Probably gonna have to track that down.
Yeah.